Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. So first, go ahead and open your browser, then head over to adobe.com. So I'll just drop the link in the description once the site loads. Choose your country if needed, and then click on free trial at the top. So when you click free trial, you'll see three plan options: individual, business, and students and teacher. So if you're using this on your own device, choose the individual plan. So you'll get a 7-day free trial of Illustrator, and sometimes they include a free trial of Adobe stock too. So click continue. Then type in your email address. So it might autofill if you've used Adobe before. So then click continue again. Now go ahead and enter your info, including your payment details, but no need to stress because they won't charge you until the free trial is over. So you're safe to cancel before then if needed. Then after that, click on agree and subscribe, and you'll see a confirmation message that your trial is active. Next, set your Adobe password if you haven't already. Then download the Creative Cloud app. So this is where you install Illustrator. And once the app is installed, open it up, log in with your email, and go to the apps tab. And then scroll through the list until you find Illustrator and click install. And that's it. Illustrator will be ready to use with your free trial. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this helped. Feel free to check out my other how-to videos, and I'll see you next time.